Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabiha Tarannum Sara. I study in class 1 at Brilliant School. Today I am going to talk about my family. I live at Tongi in Gazipur with my family. There are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, my auntie, and myself. My father's name is Sanaullah. My mother's name is Shamima Kashimu. My father is a English teacher and my mother is a homemaker. I have a wonderful family. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.